it going, everyone? We are back down here in the lab, and we got a little special something. I know a lot of people have probably seen it all over Facebook. It's a new color that somebody came up with, and it's goes by the name Listerine. I mean, the color, once the light hits it, looks exactly like the Listerine mouthwash. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna play around with it. The guy added some of Lure Works Emerald Green to Dead on Plastix Metal Mist, but a buddy of mine actually came up with a new recipe for it that actually does help. It does do what the Emerald Green is supposed to do, but it's all straight with Dead on Plastix colorant. But what we're also going to do is add a little bit of flake to it. So why don't you stick around, watch it. I've got the plastisol getting heated up right now for it. So we're going to go ahead, we're going to get this checked out, and stick around. We'll get some molds poured. All right, we'll see you. All right, got my color and my plastisol up to temp. I really hate how this plastic here yellows up on me, but we're going to go ahead and do 25 drops per cup. I got 2 cups here. Got 40 right there. Really yellowed up on me, but this color should take care of that. Add a little bit more. I think I lost count and I got a little bit less. But that should do it for me. Then we're going to add 5 drops per cup of blue. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10. And then 5 drops per cup of Dead on Green. Now all these were Dead on Plastix. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. See how that color just instantly changed right there? There's still that purple, but there's mainly blue, a little bit of green in there. Absolutely love it. Then we're going to go ahead and put in our flakes. So I got the 1/8" of this glitter here, and we're gonna go with got 2. Go with a 1/4, probably heaping 1/4 here of that. Then go with 040 black. Go about half that. Then I have Dead on Plastix 062. Probably go same, 1/8 of that. Get all different sizes in there, give it a little bit of natural texture. Then we're gonna go with a small amount, if I can get to the size I want. Go with the 1/16 of the whisker glitter. Just a little bit of the 16th. Don't go heaping. But that'll dirty it up, give it a little nice color in there. Then, I have not messed around with this at all, but we're gonna go add a little bit of sparkle blue. Now this is heat tolerant, so what we're gonna do is get this mixed in. See how that just adds that little naturalness into it? Of all that big flake mixed in with that small flake. Then you got that whisker glitter in there. That's what I'm talking about. So we'll see what the temp is. Now my temp is saying 330, so get that stirred down, get that heat out of there before we add that sparkle to it. Now it's saying 320. So I think we're going to be fine. But I am thinking we should add, go with an 1/8 of the sparkle glitter. See what that does for us. Add a little bit of sparkle to it. Have not messed with this sparkle glitter at all. So this is all new to me. I actually do like that. I do like that, guys. That's actually pretty sweet. Alright, I think we'll be fine to go ahead and get these poured in there. So, go ahead and move this out of the way. Now let's see if I can prevent you from getting tipped over, because I'm going to be moving my molds. I think you guys will be fine right there. So go ahead and get these injected. And I got all do it molds here. I got the finesse worm, I got the El Gisano worm, and I think, no, El Gisano's right here. Then I got 5-inch Cinco molds from Do It Molds. Take a look at how this turns out. Because I am liking that sparkle glitter, guys. I am liking it. So we're going to give this a whirl. Now I'm probably going to have to fill up another injector because these molds like to drink and these molds are cold. Yep. Hurry up. Fill that up. Fill that one up. Fill this one back up. As I make a mess. But who said bait making is a clean job? Find the top to my injector. Sorry guys. Make you guys back up more. Get those topped off because, like I said, these molds like to drink. And I have a whole bunch of baits that I made up. I need to get them packaged up, put away. As you guys cannot look at me, you're only seeing half my face. So that's what we're gonna go ahead and do. We're gonna wait for these to cool off, get them checked out. I'm impressed with the sparkle glitter, guys. I'm gonna have to order more of that because that is pretty sweet. I mean, it's just not like normal flake or anything. Obviously, if you guys already have the stuff, you guys already know and everything. But like I said, I have not messed with the stuff at all. And yeah, so we're gonna go. It just amazes me. Like I said, a lot of the time when you're with me on a video, a lot of the stuff is going to be first time use. So but I did mess with the Listerine color once before, and obviously, as you can tell here, you can see how it just sees right through, but when you put your hand up to it, a little bit of that purple comes through. But for some reason on this batch, I'm seeing a lot more green. I'm not 100% sure why on that, but maybe it's the lighting or something. I don't know. This batch, I'm seeing a lot more green. I have no idea. So, but stick around with me. We're going to let these molds cool off. We're going to get it checked out, all right? All right, guys. Molds are cooled off. We're going to go ahead and get this checked out. And you're going to be the first time right along with me taking a look at these. Okay, how these is going to open up. As I got blue dead on pigment all over my hands. We're going to go ahead with the sandcast version. Look at that. That is awesome. I'm loving that. These are going to be perfect for clear water. I mean, even maybe just a little bit of dirtied up. I mean, I'm not 100% sure, but I'm sure this color will get something. I mean, this color would be awesome in craws too. I mean, that is awesome. I wish my lighting down here was a lot better. But we're going to go ahead and we're going to check out what's next. What's next, guys? Hold on. Let me put some of this back in there. I think we're going to check out a Cinco. We're going to check out a Cinco. Oh, yeah. Now, there was a little bit of indentation here, but not bad. There's a lot more purple to this one because of the thicker body. But check out that sparkle flake. That is awesome. Now, let me get the lighting here. Well, can't really see. But I'll get it flipped over to where you guys have more better lighting. But there's purple. You guys can see it. See through there? That sparkle flake is awesome. Maybe I should add a little bit more. Or it could be perfect. You guys tell me. I mean, that is, you guys tell me. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what you guys think on that, because that is pretty awesome. That one did not fill out. I ran out of plastic, obviously. But I'll go ahead. And check out the El Gisano from Do It. Now this one did the trick. So far, I've been falling in love with this mold. When I worked there, I thought it was just pretty silly, you know, but the more and more I play around with it, the more and more I'm falling in love with it. But check out that purple to that green to that blue, and that sparkle flake did the trick, guys. that is just awesome. Now when I look at it down here, straight down at it, I'm seeing green. It's weird, but that is just an awesome color. I mean, thank you, Chris Doty, DNS Tackle. If you guys have not checked him out on Facebook, he doesn't do any videos or anything like that, guys, but he does do little reels of all the baits that he makes and everything. He isn't going to release a lot of his recipes or anything. He just does amazing work. So let's check this one out. This is another Cinco mold I have, but yeah, I'm just loving it. I'm loving it, guys. Let's see. Maybe if I go this way. No. Yeah, you kind of somewhat see it. See through. But check out that sparkle flake. Even just the black flake that I have in there, all the different sizes and everything. And you can see right here down there in the tails, just that, I don't know, get it untangled. Come on, guys. If it would focus, but just down there in the tails, you can see that black flake in there. If you guys can see it better, good enough. But yeah, you can see that all the different sizes give it a little natural look to it. It's freaking sweet. But I just want to do a quick video again, guys, and help get it up there, boost everything. If you haven't yet, please like and subscribe and everything. To this weekend, I have an archery tournament that I have to be at. I coach high school archery. I'm an assistant coach for it and everything. And then later on, I have that benefit that we're going to be giving away the calls that I made for turkey hunting and everything for a benefit for a girl that had a brain tumor removed, and it was a very complicated surgery. So I'm going to be going and doing that. So I'll only have one day with my family. So that Sunday it's going to be strictly with the family. So I wanted to hurry up, get this done and whatnot. So anyway, guys, if you haven't yet, please like and subscribe. That's all I have for you guys. I mean, this color is money, so please help me out. Let's get this rolling. That's all I have for you. I'll see you on the river.